So I've drawn on here your A, B, and C, and I've put the different axes that we can be rotated about. So let's look at the x-axis first. So for A, these two are fixed, and there's 4 light masses rotating around X. Well, in this picture, there are 2 heavy masses and 2 light ones rotating around X. Here again, there's 2 light and 2 heavy ones. And in D, there are 4 heavy ones. So for our X ranking, D is going to be the most. It's going to have B and C tied, and then A. Let's go on to our y-axis ranking. So here on our y-axis, we're going to have 2 heavy and 2 light spin around our y-axis, coming out and in. Over here on our y-axis, we're going to have 2 lights and 2 heavies. So these two are the same so far. Around our y-axis here, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 heavy ones. And around this one, we're going to have another 4 heavy ones. So for our y-axis ranking, again we have D, but now it's actually tied with C, which are each greater than A, which equals B. Those are the same, each having 2 light and 2 heavy rotating around. And then on our z-axis, which I labeled here in red, if we're here, we're going to have 2 light and 2 heavy spinning around, or 4 heavies spinning around. Over here, we're going to have 2 light and 2 heavies, and over here we'll have 4 heavies. So here we're going to actually see B and D tie, which are going to be greater than A, which is going to equal C. And let me just check that. So 2 lights, 2 heavies, 2 lights, 2 heavies, 4 heavies. So those are our moment of inertia rankings, just looking at the MR squareds that are active in the situation. And the heavy ones are counting for more M, giving it a bigger I.